Alright everyone, let's begin. Welcome to another unboxing, and this is going to be a fun one because this is after a long time. It's happening finally, and I've been waiting for that. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's get into it. That's snakeskin. That's a lot of snakeskin. It's, I don't know, yep, it's a lot of snakeskin. Let's see. Oh my god, okay. So after unwrapping so much snakeskin, let's get rid of that. And alright, there you have it. The Galaxy Watch 4. This is not the classic one. And wireless charger duo. Okay, looks bad. So this I got from Samsung shop. If you get a Galaxy Watch 4, you get, credit of $50 and you get the charger duo. Let's open that baby up. I've never, used wireless charger per se, but let's see. I mean, it's not as fast as USB-C cable charger, but let's see how this is. Okay, it's not too much. Oh, cool. That's simplistic. And yep, okay, so it has the same 25 watt super wall charger and USB-C. Alright, so it should fast charge, probably not as fast as the normal charger we connected, but yes, this is the charger that has been coming with Note 8, Note 10 Plus, and now Z Fold 3. Sorry, not Z Fold 3. They don't give the charger, but I got it, so, And if you want to watch that unboxing, then I'll link the video on the top right. Let's open Watch 4. Man, I am super excited for, let's say, October. Yep, it's been fun. And okay, that's it. Yep, that is it. I guess all the peripherals are in this. That's some paperwork. We don't need to read that. Oh, there it is. There is a charger. I was confused. Huh, cool. The packaging. They're getting good at packaging. Okay, it's same as Watch 3. So I'm not gonna use that. I already have the charger from Watch 3, so I will use that. Okay, it looks kind of sleek, like it reminds me of, what was the watch? Moto 360. So it reminds me of that watch. Watch 3 kind of looks bulky. Alright, okay, this is the 40mm, I believe. Yes, this is the 40mm watch. And okay, wow. There, and Watch 3 is the 42mm. It's not that big of a difference from Watch 3. But yeah, it's slightly smaller. The frame is almost the same size. Alright, let's power this thing up and see what it's all about. I hope this is the power button. No? There it is. Welcome. 89TX Galaxy wearable app. Alright. Oh, look at that. It's already here. Okay, that's super fast. Let's connect. it's correct. Alright. Yeah, diagnose data. Link with Galaxy Watch 4. Okay. Wi-Fi, LTE, yes. Actually, you know what? Let's skip this. We don't want to see how Watch 3 is. Let's start anew. Alright. Let's look at all the watch faces. Big number. AR emoji. So wait, customize. Okay. While that's starting up, let's take a tour. Start. Swipe from the quick panel. Alright. And swipe up to go back. Oh, hang on. Oh, come on. Okay, that goes back. Okay, swiping either way goes back. For tiles, swipe. What are tiles? Okay. That's the home key. Alright, so instead of, let's say, rotating the bezels in Watch 3 like that, you go, oh my god, okay, the biggest is the Wear OS, which looks sick right now. Now look at that, that's all the apps. Yeah. That is all the apps in Watch 3, right? What about this? Nope. Okay, yeah, and this is just amazing. Alright, so first dot means you have a notification, alright, and there is no rotation, nothing. So this is almost similar. When you swipe down from top, you see that's almost similar. Okay, it's just, it's bigger, I believe. Let's see, it does get pretty bright. Whereas the brightness in this, okay, so that's the brightness. Look at all the edges. Okay, now let's turn it down completely. And let's turn this down completely. Okay, it does get pretty dim as well. Alright, so we go back. Oh, no swiping on this one. Now power saving, location, Bluetooth, find my phone. Okay. Man, this is okay, I love this. No recently used apps, obviously. Okay, let's see how the ECG works. Okay, so instead of going, oh, instead of the bezel, rotating bezel, you go right, and that's where it is. Wow, whether that's the calendar ECG. Learn more. Allow. Why? Follow the instructions, something. Open. Okay. Hello. Oh, watch 3 got connected, that's why. Okay, connecting. Okay. Rest. All right, and we get the ECG report on the phone, and there it is. So it's not as different. Now what changed in this is the body composition. Let's see what that is. So male. I have no idea what my weight is. Do not measure if you, okay. How to measure? Move your watch. Okay, let's move it higher on the wrist. Oh, okay. All right, and 21.6% body fat. That's skeletal, that's fat mass. Look at that, that's the body composition in detail in phone. Your weight is in the average range. Okay, there it is. Now let's measure blood oxygen. Start measuring blood oxygen. That was pretty fast. Let's check out all the apps. Calendar, Samsung Pay, Bixby. We will uninstall that or disable that. Buds has a different app in itself. Music, notifications, the Samsung goals. So you click on that, you uninstall. Okay. Wow, okay. The famous recorder. Record audio while using the app. Yes. Allow. Next. And there it is. So this will have all the voice recordings. Outlook. Wow. Play Store. Google Maps. Let's check out Maps. So this is finding me. Oh, wow. So if we look at the data that I can back up or restore from Galaxy Watch 3, look at that. So barometer can't restore because not compatible. Now so much is not compatible in Galaxy Watch 4. So yeah, I guess either now or wait for Galaxy Watch 5, but now is the good time to switch so that you have that continuity. But yes, that's my 2-bit on whether you should switch or not from Galaxy Watch 3 to Galaxy Watch 4 or any to Wear OS. So for context, this is the Watch 3, right? And this is the Galaxy Watch 4. And I had a screen guard on it, and see, the screen guard is not completely covering the screen. So even though this is a 40mm and this is a 42mm, the display, because of the bezel gone, is much bigger. So I guess that's a good upgrade. Yeah, that's a good upgrade, as the display has gotten bigger, and that counts for so much. So it fits in the wrist perfectly, even for smaller wrists. Another good thing in comparison to Watch 3, the band is similar. So if you have a great band that you really liked in Watch 3, then you can put that in Watch 4. Look at that. So this is the Watch 3 band, and I really love the band in Watch 3. All right, everyone. So I guess that was Galaxy Watch 4 and comparison with Watch 3. And if you think, should you update to Watch 3? It depends. So if you are updating from Watch, let's say Galaxy Watch to Watch 4, then definitely. And I feel like since this is a Wear OS now, everything Google, you should definitely switch to Galaxy Watch 4. And if you find a deal where you can trade in your Galaxy Watch 3, then that works amazing, because that's what I did and I got it really cheap. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Peace out.